Hi everyone, so in this video I just want to share some clients feedback on this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow at Celebration Green Villa. I took them for inspection and they were super impressed. I just wanted to listen to what they have to say. We just left. I just left Zenital Gardens with some clients, and I'm here at a newly launched bungalow that a lot of clients are rushing into. I'm going to be showing you what the bungalows look like in a bit. It's a very fantastic, beautiful bungalow currently selling right now, and a lot of our clients are keen into it very, very fast. So you can see a lot of work going on here. There's going to be swimming pool, recreation center, gym. A lot of work is going on here in Celebration Greenland Estates, where there's beautiful premium 3-bedroom bungalows are currently selling right now. That is currently being bought by clients. So we have 5 units on ground right now. We have a sample home that you can see.
You know me as a food. I decided to Kaga.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm impressed.
You're impressed with the design, right? It's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Look at the drainage.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this drainage. This is the show apartment.
Yes, sir. So we have like an open plan kitchen and a closed plan. So this is the closed plan. We'll check out the open plan over there. So this is, yes, 75. This is the sample unit. So they just furnish it to give you an idea what you can do within your own space. So you can see that moving around is easy. Your furniture, the structure, the layout is easy. If you align your furniture this way, your TV console over here, you still have ample space to move around. So this is the closed plan. So this is the kitchen.
There's water.
No, inverter comes at a cost.
Okay.
But this is the kitchen. But you also have a store.
How spacious it is.
Yes,
Okay.
very spacious. And it comes with this, so it's fitted.
Well, yeah, the kitchen is fitted.
It's fitted, yes.
Even the kitchen is a big money.
So let's go. We're not done. Let's see the bedrooms now.
No, I'm not done.
Okay, you're taking videos. Okay. So this is the first bedroom. See how pretty it
These
is.
bedrooms are slightly bigger than the Alaro bedrooms. So this is look at a dressing area.
Yeah, there's a dressing area. That
Bedroom 1?
Yes, bedroom 1.
Master, I guess.
Masters, yes. So you have a walk-in dresser here and takes you to the top, to the bedroom.
And it's a 3-bedroom.
Yes, it has a BQ.
And 1-bedroom BQ.
Yes.
Wow. Well, nice one. Yeah.
Neatly arranged, very well laid out. You still have lots of leg room. Yeah, all en suite.
I'm impressed.
Yes, sir.
This trip is worthwhile.
This place also still has like its own cupboard too. And it's wardrobe.
You can see it.
Okay.
I like it. Look at the quality of the wash.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, as an aged person, this is just what
Perfect. You don't need.
you don't have to be clever.
No, you don't.
Enough, you know.
You don't. And the compound, the external gives you space. You can take walks. Let's see the close block.
Impressed with the quality. I'm impressed with the quality. MD. Yes. I'm very impressed. I'm going to be.
Oh, it's at the back. We'll see it from here. We'll see this other one. Let's just look at it. So this is the open plan. Yes.
Wow. What? So the plan day.
Open plan kitchen, the fact that that's an open plan kitchen.
So it's the same design, but just the kitchen is different.
So
It's the same 3 bed with a BQ. Just
this barrier is what is not there.
there's no close. So the first kitchen
It's closed.
is closed. You go in through a door.
Yes.
But this one is open plan.
That's what I'm doing.
Yes, these are. It comes with the
Microwave, everything.
extractor. Yes, except the solar. It's fitted, but it doesn't come with this.
You know all this. It
Yes,
comes with all the appliances here.
yes. So this bungalow has a BQ.
As long as you don't have those high rises.
Yeah, that you need to climb.
I'm very impressed with their quality. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm impressed with the design,
yeah.
the elevations, especially the quality of construction. Yeah, look at it. See the living. Look at how straight. What they did is, and that's where you know quality. Yes. When you look at the edges, everything. Look at very straight. Look at those windows. They're all
Aligned. Yeah, same level.
details. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
This is impressive.
We have the outright, we have the 6 months, we have the 12 months. So if for instance you're paying for 4 months, your house will be ready 4 months after your payment. If you pay for 6 months, it'll be ready 6 months after your payment. If you pay for 12 months after your payment. So it's not like
This one's probably
those ones are taken. Yes, they've been allocated. When you listen to the feedback from the client who adverts is an architect, so he understands details, he understands building, and he's just super impressed. Look, this bungalow is beautiful and selling fast. Currently selling right now at 75 million naira. 3-bedroom bungalows, amazing, beautiful, unique, different, selling itself easily. So if you're interested, if it ticks your boxes, if it looks like something you like, get in touch with me. I'm gonna plug it up. Something real nice before the end of the year. Thank you. I'm like.